Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 280 disconnected from game. Please reconnect. So first, click on Windows plus R, then here, type in temp and hit on enter. Now, simply click on Ctrl plus A, then delete all of this. Now next, click on your controller again, then input %temp page and hit on enter. Again, click on Ctrl A, then delete all of this, then skip. There you go. Don't worry about this because you can really delete this files. Now next is Windows plus R again, then input app data, then here we go to local, then look for the Roblox, and here simply right click on it and delete this folder completely. After that, restart your PC and then simply reinstall your Roblox, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.